boys? How we all doing? I said that I was gonna make a bit of a recap tonight on how my trade went, if I ended up taking any, and I did. I took two. Um, the first one was a break even trade, and the second one was a win, and it was actually a really good win. I made I had a 1 to 3.25 risk to reward ratio, and it hit, which doesn't really happen very often if I'm being honest. Yeah, it's 2:30 in the morning for me, so this whole move sort of happened pretty late in the session, and when it gets late in the session, it gets really late where I live. So um, yeah, I'm pretty tired, but I just thought I'm just gonna get this, just get this video out, so that it's all fresh in my mind when I go over it, and I'm not trying to think back again in the morning of what I actually did. So the first trade was pretty simple entry. I just took it off of this break of structure on the 1 minute. And the reason for that was because we took out previous day's lows. So yeah, these were the previous daily lows, and we took those out. And after we took them out, I was looking for some sort of inversion fair value gap. And we were also coming out of this 1 minute fair value gap, but we didn't actually get any inversions, and I had really strong conviction in us going to the upside, so I got in on just a break of structure. I put my stops probably a little lower than I should have, but in hindsight, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, I moved my stop loss to break even at these highs, and I didn't take profit, and my first take profit was up here. So I kind of got wrecked in that sense. I could have probably taken my first TP here, but I just had conviction that this 930 high was going to get taken before we did anything else, since we were already up so high. But yeah, I got stopped back out of break even when we came down here, and then sort of based off a little bit of sort of just intuition, and also just the fact that I've been watching the chart for a long time, I've been watching for the whole session. I sort of came to the conclusion that if we weren't even able to take out that we were never going to come all the way back up here. So I was sort of looking to get into shorts at that point. So I sort of switched up my bias a little bit. But I got in on a 1 minute inversion. So it was kind of crazy because we came down. This was the move that actually stopped me out, and we sort of just came perfectly back into it, and reached a discount, and then inverse this 1 minute, and that was a super strong momentum on that candle. There's a lot of stuff that sort of aligned that made me feel like I should have taken shorts. So I put the stop above there, and I moved my stop loss to break even here. And then yeah, my TP1 was at these lows, my TP2 was down at these lows, and then my final one was all the way down here, which is that was Monday's low. So that was wait, and last Friday's low. So I honestly didn't expect that to get hit at all, but yeah, it went crazy. So I'm pretty happy with that. Can't complain. I didn't do anything stupid. I risked how much I wanted to risk. And yeah, I think I just from a good habits sort of standpoint, and just sort of practicing, making sure that I'm always following my plan and stuff like that. I think I did well today, regardless of whether I lost any trades or won any trades. So yeah, that's really all I've got for this one. I've got a Discord server that I started. I'll put the link in the description. It's free, obviously. Just if anyone wants to chat or learn together in there. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys.